in this question, we are given that we have to find out the percentage discount on a certain television set for a sale. Now, keep in mind we have to find the discount percent and not the discount in dollars. This is a very common mistake in DS questions where the question basically asks for the discount in dollars, and in the statements we are given the discount in percentage, and sometimes students end up marking the statement as sufficient. So this is very important to remember that the question is asking for a discount percentage. Now, since nothing else is given, let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1 first. Now the statement 1 tells us that the price of the television set before it was discounted for the sale was 25% greater than the discounted price. Now let us take some variables. Suppose the price of the television set before discount was equal to P dollars and the price after discount, which is basically the selling price, is equal to SP dollars. Now, according to the statement, we have that P is equal to 1 plus 25 by 100 times SP. Now, this gives us P is equal to 5 by 4 times SP, and we can write this as P times 4 by 5 equals SP. Thus, SP is equal to P times 4 by 5, and to change this into percentage, because we have to find the discount percent, we multiply the right hand side by 100 and we get 80% of P. Now, this equation, what this means is that the selling price after discount was 80% of the initial price of the television set. From this we can conclude that the discount is 20%. So we can say that the statement 1 is sufficient, and from the given options we eliminate B, C and E. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. Now the statement 2 tells us that the price of the television set was discounted by $60 for the sale. Now this is the trap that I had mentioned earlier, that the discount here is given in dollars, but the question requires us to find the discount in percentage. So according to this statement, we have SP equals P minus $60. Now this does not give us the discount percentage, and we can discard this statement and say that the statement 2 is not sufficient. So the correct answer is option A.